Hello friends, Leanna here. Today we're going to talk about Trendmood. I was lucky enough to be able to order the very highly coveted Trendmood box. I got volume number 9 for $54. These boxes are very hard to get. You have to jump right on the website and click as fast as you can to get one. I've never gotten a Trendmood box. I don't know if I'll get any more. We're going to jump on in and see what was in the box, and then when we're done I'll tell you a little bit more about what Trendmood is. The first item that I got is this Lash It Loud. It is a volumizing mascara in black from E.L.F. Cosmetics. I'm really excited about this mascara. It retails for $6, and the reason that I'm so excited about this is because of the brush. If you can see the shape of that brush, it reminds me of the brush wand on this very tiny little sample of Gucci mascara that I got. And I'm not crazy about the formula of this mascara because it flakes and smudges, but I love the brush, the wand. It is a kind of like a rubber wand, and I do a very good job putting my mascara on with that type of brush for some reason. So this looks to be almost exactly the same. I've never used an E.L.F. mascara, but hopefully this won't smudge or clump or transfer, so we'll see. And then the next item that I got is this Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Murad is a very good company. I have several of their products. This is Advanced Line and Wrinkle Smoothing Serum. It retails for $89. It's supposed to help improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, and uneven texture. This is what the packaging looks like. This is 1 fluid ounce. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it's Murad is a cruelty-free brand. Did I say this retails for $89? This retails for $89. If I said it, I've said it 3 times now. I have to smell everything. And then we have a makeup sponge beauty blender. This is from DSMS Shop. Purple is the branding color for Trendmood, and it's got Trendmood on the packaging, so they made this just to go in the Trendmood boxes. Purple's my favorite color, so very soft. It's got a nice flat edge on it and a fine point to help you get in all those little nooks and crannies. This retails for $9. And then we have this NYX, the Marshmallow Primer. It has marshmallow root in it. This is a brand new product. It retails for $17 and is a smoothing primer. It smooths, softens, and extends makeup wear for up to 16 hours. It's very fluffy, just like a marshmallow. It's got a nice texture to it. Oh my gosh, it smells like marshmallows. Anybody got any hot chocolate? Oh. I don't like to put things on my face that have a fragrance to it, but that smells really good. This has a 12-month shelf life. It's also supposed to even tone, minimize texture, blur lines, hydrate, and keep your makeup looking fresh. It's a vegan formula with no silicone in it. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure that NYX is a cruelty-free brand. I'm almost out of my current primer, so I'll be using this next during the winter, during hot chocolate season. The next item in the box is an eyeshadow palette, and I was quite excited that they were putting in a Juvias Place palette. You would get one of 2 choices. You would either get the taupes or sweet pinks. I really, really wanted the taupes. I mean, those of you that watch my videos know that, you know, color. I got the sweet pinks. I didn't want the sweet pinks, and I still don't want the sweet pinks. Not happy about the sweet pinks. Juvias Place is a really good brand. They have nice shadows. I do have one of their palettes. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a very cute 6-pan palette, but holy cow. That is, I mean, really. Can you see that on me? I mean, I don't see that on me. Maybe this color here. That's about the only one. This is a 6-pan pressed pigment palette. This is not an eyeshadow palette. So the packaging says, discontinue if signs of irritation or rash occurs. Not safe to use around the eye area. So in the United States, the FDA has not approved eye pigments as safe to use around the eye area. So in the United States, this is not considered safe, and they have to put that warning on there. In Europe, they say that pigments are safe to use around the eyes. Now, I have used some eye pigments and they have not bothered me, but eye pigments will stain, and I cannot imagine on my pale skin this staining my eyes. However, and this retails for $14. An amazing thing happened. I was doing a little research on this palette and looking at the Taupes palette, and I came across this very nice lady's YouTube channel. Her name is Jackie, and I will put a link to her channel down below in the description. And she was unboxing the Trendmood box, and she got the Taupes palette, and she didn't want it. She wanted the Pinks palette. So we are going to trade. I am going to mail her this lovely palette, which is going to look so good on her, and she's going to mail me the Taupes palette. I'm quite excited because I did not want this. So thank you, Jackie. I truly appreciate you. I'm putting this back in. There will be no swatches because this beautiful pink palette is on its way to Miss Jackie. And Jackie, I'm expecting a video. I want to see what you do with this so that I can go, gosh, I should have kept that palette. The next item is also from Juvia's Place. This is the Glass Gloss. It retails for $13. There were also two possibilities for this as well, either clear or It's Electric. I got It's Electric. Clear with gold sparkle. It has a very large doe foot on it. Let's see what this looks like. It's very pretty, very comfortable. It's not sticky at all. And I can see just the tiniest amount of the gold in there. It's not a lot. So that's very doable. That's pretty. I like it. And then from Nude Skin, we have Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. This retails for $34, and it's a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanser and skin renewal, exfoliant, and skin brightening glow. This has a 12-month shelf life, and I don't see anything on here about them being cruelty free. I will check on that and put that on the screen. It almost feels like it has just a little bit of a grit to it. Doesn't really have a smell. And the last thing that we got in the box is this Glow Skin Beauty Bio Renew EGF Drops. It's Epidermal Growth Factor Cell Repairing Serum. It's formulated to restore, strengthen, and rejuvenate the skin. It's a serum, and it's 100% vegan with bioactive peptide recovery complex for a youthful glow. And this retails for $125. Has a nice, clean, fresh smell to it. So those are all the items that I got in my Trendmood box. Like I said, I paid $54 for the box. The total value of the box came out to be $307. That's a pretty good deal. And Miss Jackie is going to take the Sweet Pink's palette, and she's going to send me the Taupe's palette. And we're all going to be happy, and I made a new friend. So that's awesome. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me today. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to get you some of this Marshmallow primer. Don't put it in your hot chocolate though, boo-boo. It goes on your face, okay? Mama loves you. Y'all need to be quiet. Quiet on set. Damn cats. Probably should really edit that out. For those of you that don't know what Trendmood is, there is a lady that started an Instagram account called Trendmood, and she keeps up with all of the different trends in the makeup, skincare. On her Instagram account, she will post any sneak peeks of any of the new products that are getting ready to drop before that cosmetic company or skincare company lets you know that they have a new product coming. So she also decided to curate a box, products in it, and some of the products have not yet been released. Each box is different and comes with a mix of makeup and beauty products, and some of them have not yet been released. And then the rest of the products in the box are favorite brands or special launches. Sometimes there's accessories and different things. So